Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a label in the Proton mail. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to click on this Proton mail, and after opening this, simply we have to click on these three lines here. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you will be able to see the add label option here. So we need to click on the add label. I'm going to click on the add label. So now what we need to do, we have to choose the color, that which color you want to add. For example, I want to add this green color here. So after adding the green, now we need to write the email name here. For example, I'm going to write the freelancers here. And after writing the freelancer, simply we have to click on the done. And after clicking on the done, as you can see, now we have to click on this again. And as you can see, now the label is created here. So you have to click on this and you will be able to see the labels here. If you want to manage this, whatever you want to do, you can do that. If you want to create another label, you can also do that. You can also click on the more to see other options as well. So in this way, you can create the label on the Proton mail. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.